The mighty Himavant is ours. There's no equal anywhere on earth. The generous Ganga is ours. Which other river can match her grace? The sacred Upanishads are ours. What scriptures else to name with them?
This sunny golden land is ours. She's peerless. Let's praise her.
Gallant warriors have lived here. Many a sage has sanctified this land.
The divinest music has been heard here. And here all auspicious things are found.
Here Brahma knowledge has taken root.
And the Buddha preached his Dhamma here.
Of hoary antiquity is Bharat.
She's fearless. Let's praise her.